Some updates, folks. The deep water culture beds are holding water. The liners are in. We are busy doing the system cycle. The big bed still needs to fill up a bit. I went ahead and plumbed up all the water supplies to all of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the back and 6. All 6 grow beds have now their own independent water supply that can be regulated. This one is turned off at the moment. And you could say if we added the polystyrene sheets, we would be growing right now. Here's a bit of a different type of bed. It's slightly deeper. A 1.5 by, come on, 1.5 by 4 meters. A 3 meter by 9 meter. 16 by 3 meters. And then that one down there is 4 meters by 8.5. The one at the back there is 7 meters by 1.5. I have yet to complete the filtration, and the biofiltration station also needs to be completed. The aeration is currently switched off. All our water supplies are also regulated with ball valves. 4,500 liter fish tank that drains through a solids lifting overflow, and then this serves as a solid settlement and a little bit of a particle filter. Drains into the 110 ml. Each fish tank has its own initial filter. This I still need to turn into the filter, and I still need to add in another one over here. Each bank of 3 fish tanks run through their own filter like this, and then all 3 of them run through one IBC, so there's 2 IBCs for the 6 fish tanks. I did add in the new air stones and they work just fine. I went and tidied up the plumbing a bit, cable tied everything down just so it's a little bit tidier and not all over the place. The net is also up. I now need to put the lids on the fish tanks. And then all of this drains down to the sump. None of this drains one bed into a next bed. It all drains out directly into the sump tank over here. the 110mm pipe, and then this pipe is like excess pressure valve, ball valve that I can open and close to increase and decrease the pressure at my outlets. All of this is powered by 40,000 liter per hour pump, and it draws up some water as well and runs it through the two sand filters that just filter back into the sump tank. When I backwash the sand filters, I will backwash them into these two IBC tanks that will be filled with K1, and these will be my mineralization tanks. Also, all of the sludge from the top filters will be pumped down to these two tanks as well, and then we will skim off the clean water back to the sump just to recycle, or just to make sure we get all of those nutrients and the bacteria established. All in all, we are making some great progress, and we are just about there. A few key things still need to be done, but most of the heavy lifting is now finished, and a bit of tweaking now to get our first seedling started, and then let's take it on to the next one.